Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy na birthday pa!
Happy birthday, Doc. Daghang salamat, Doc, na ikaw naging doktor ko. Umpisa pa 1987 hangtod karon. Daghang salamat, Doc. We love you from Sastry family from Libak, Sultan Kudarat.
Hi, Dr. Abuot. It's me, John from Fresenius. Back in 2010 when I was still a nurse. I just want to send you a quick message to wish you a very happy birthday. I still remember how much I learned from you and enjoyed working with you along with the team. I consider you as one of the best, or if not the best doctor there is in the Philippines. So I hope you enjoy your day and feel celebrated. God bless you, and again, happy birthday.
Birthday, Dr. Abuot. Happy birthday, Dr. Abuot. Julian here. I wish you the best in life. Stay beautiful always.
Hi Doc! Happy birthday! Grabe, dugay na di ay kaayo sukad nga nagkatrabaho ta together. Pero memorable gihapon to nga time para nako. I'm truly grateful nga naka-work ko nimo kay daghan kaayo kog nakatunan gikan sa imong leadership, imong dedication ug sa paagi nimo pag-atiman sa imong staff ug sa imong mga patients. Thank you sa imong kindness, sa imong guidance ug sa pag-inspire namo pinaagi sa imong dedication ug sa hard work. Sa imong special day, akong gi-wish nga padayon nga panalanginan ka ni Lord ug maayong panglawas, kalipay, kalinaw sa kasing-kasing ug daghang blessings para nimo ug sa imong pamilya. Enjoy your birthday, Doc. Stay healthy, stay happy, and God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Dr. Abuot. From Juliet Quaton in San Francisco and Lizelle. You take care. God bless you as always. See you next year. Thank you. Bye. You take care. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Dr. Arbo. This is Cynthia. I am one of your staff in Asia Renal Care 2 way back 2000. Wishing you many more birthdays to come and have a good one. God bless.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Giselle. I'm one of the nurses sa Asia Renal Care way back 2014 to 2016. I just want to greet a happy birthday to the best nephrologist ever, Dr. Ophelia Buot. Hi, Doctor. Just a quick story. I remember when I was working sa clinic, kung musulod nga gani si Doctor, we make sure that the charts are complete kay i-check yun niya ang vital signs. So, Doctor is one of the most hands-on doctors that I have ever met. She really poured her heart sa ihang profession, which is really admirable. Thank you so much, Doctor, for, taking care of your patients, especially my father, who once became your patient. God bless your good heart, and I wish you more blessings to come. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Dr. Abuot. Wishing you the best of health and may you have a long life, satisfying life. Maribeth po from Jeddah. Happy birthday, mwah.
Happy birthday, Dr. Abuot. Love you.
Dr. Abuot, the best nephrologist in the whole world. Happy birthday! Ako di ay si Meg Anthony Miralles, former ARC nurse, way back 2012 and 2013. May God continue to use you as an instrument of His healing and compassion to many. May you have a birthday filled with joy and good health. God bless you always, Doc.
Happy birthday, Doc. 45 years. That's how long I have been under your care. I never cease thanking God to this day for leading me to you after Dr. Alano referred me following my SLE and LN diagnosis. Because of your exceptional care and dedication, I am so blessed to be in long-term remission today. Your care didn't only sustain me, it allowed me to live a full life despite my condition. Thank you for being my doctor. Thank you for being a blessing. I wish you good health, happiness, long life, and most of all the blessings you so richly deserve. Happy birthday, Doc.
Hi, Doc. Happy birthday. I love you, Doc. I'm praying for you always. That's my assurance for you. Praying for good health, blessings, and well-being. And of course, your happiness matters. And you know naman, thank you for everything, Doc. Happy birthday. I love you, Doc.
Happy birthday, Doc. 4 years to celebrate. Nagaan ka, kanunay God, kung tayo paminglawas para makaservisyo pa sa inyo ng pasyente. Salamat sa 20 years din mga pag-umuma, pag-care namin. Thank you, and God bless always. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Dr. Abuot.
Hi, Doc. Happy birthday. May God bless you the strength and grace to continue touching lives. God bless you always, Doc Buot, my favorite.
Happy birthday, Doc. Thank you for everything. Thank you for being my big boss. So grateful. Every day as I pray, I include you in my prayers, including Leslie, Vanessa, and Sheldon. Continue lang ta, Doc, hinahinay aron makakita sad ka sa imong mga patients. It's been a while. It's almost 50 years as a secretary, but I'm so thankful to the Lord nga ikaw akong amo. Happy birthday. No words can I utter except thank you and God bless.